So today, Thursday, we have discovered lesson 4 and 5 in the booklet. Yesterday, we talked about respect and disrespect. Respect means good. Disrespect means bad. Share ideas, share material, saying please and thank you, waiting for my turn, support others. All of these things are good things. All of these things are respect. What about disrespect? Don't share material. Don't share idea. Fight with your friend. Don't listen. This is disrespect. We started in exercise 1 and we say that I share my material. This is respect. I don't share ideas. This is disrespect. Support others. This is respect. Beat my friends. Disrespect. We stopped at number 5. Now, students, I'm going to mute you all, and then I will call you by names to complete answering the questions. Before I start, is my voice clear for you? Do you hear me well?
Yes.
Okay.
Your voice clear.
Okay, students, I'm going to mute you all now, then I call you by names to answer. Abdurrahman Ahmed. Open your mic, please.
Yes, teacher.
Please, Abdurrahman, number 5. Read and choose respect or disrespect.
I try my material.
You mean number 5. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4 are done. We need number 5.
Speak
Loudly.
loudly and don't listen.
Yes, is this respect or disrespect?
Respect.
Look here, Abdurrahman. Read this. Read number 4 here.
Respect.
Speak
Speak
loudly.
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 Loudly
And don't
and don't
listen.
listen.
Where is this sentence? Is it under disrespect or under respect?
This is respect.
Okay, good. So when we come to number 5, speak loudly and don't listen. What should we write? Respect or
Don't
disrespect?
respect.
Excellent, Abdurrahman. Respect. Thank you very much. Anas Am.
Yes, teacher.
Hello, Anas. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. I need you to read number 6, please.
I don't.
Again, please. Anas, check your mic, please. Anas. Okay. Check your mic, Anas, and I will come to you again. Noor.
Yes, Mister.
Hello, Noor. How are you?
Don't share materials. Disrespect.
Disrespect. Excellent. Ahmed Mustafa. Ahmed Mustafa. Open your mic, please, Ahmed.
Teacher.
Hello, Ahmed. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, please, Ahmed, read number 7.
Respect each other.
Yes, respect each other. Is this respect or disrespect? Look here, Ahmed Mustafa.
Respect.
Good. Excellent. Bara.
Yes, teacher.
Hello, Bara. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you, Bara. Read number 8, please.
Walk.
Work together. Repeat after me, Bara. Work together.
Work together.
Yes. Work together means you work with your friends. Is this respect or disrespect?
Stick.
Excellent, Bara. This is respect. Muhammad Mansour.
Oh, teacher.
Hello, Muhammad. How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Don't listen
Yes.
to others.
Yes.
Disrespect.
Excellent, Muhammad. Thank you very much. Hamza.
Yeah,
Hello, Hamza. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Good.
I'm fine.
Number 10, please. Hamza, don't close your mic. Number 10.
Use please and thank you.
Use please and thank you. Is this respect or disrespect?
Respect.
Excellent, Hamza. Thank you very much. Now, students, we have another exercise. You read the sentence and choose the correct word. Ibrahim Mustafa.
Yes, teacher.
How are you, Ibrahim?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Read number 1, please.
This is not my pen.
Yes, Ibrahim, if you find a pen in the class and this pen is not your pen, is this honest or fair? Let me help you with the
Fair.
word honest. Honest means you don't. Let me write it for you. Here, students. Honest. What is the meaning of honest? Don't tell lies. What else? Don't take things which are not yours. That is the meaning of honest. And what is the meaning of fair? Fair means treat or play and speak well with my friends. Ibrahim,
Yes, teacher.
what is the meaning of honest? Can you read this meaning for me?
Don't tell lies.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Don't.
Ibrahim, let's stop
Yes.
with don't tell lies. Do you know what are lies? Do you know what are lies?
I don't know.
Okay. Lies means you don't tell the truth. For example, yesterday I stayed at home. Yesterday, what I did, Ibrahim?
Stay in the tool.
Okay. When you ask me, what did you do yesterday? I tell you, I went to the cinema. I went to the cinema. Is this true or wrong? I stayed at
Right.
home. Yes, because I stayed at home. But when you asked me, I told you a lie. I was lying. Okay?
Okay.
If you tell things which did not happen, this means that you tell lies. If someone is from, for example, Cairo, someone is from what? Cairo.
Okay.
And when I asked him, where are you from? He said, I am from Alexandria. Is he telling the truth or is he telling lies?
He's telling lies.
Good. Now you know what is the meaning of lies.
Yes.
When you are honest, you don't tell lies. You tell the truth. What is the next meaning of honest? Read it for me, please. Don't
Don't take
take.
things which are not yours.
Excellent. Do you know what does this mean?
Yes.
Yes. For example, you find money. You find the money in the class. It is not your money. Someone finds the money and it's not his money, but he took it. Is this honest or dishonest?
Honest.
When he takes the money which is not his money, this is dishonest. Okay? If someone
Okay.
finds a mobile phone, someone finds a mobile phone, it is not his mobile phone, but he took it. Is this honest?
No.
No. Excellent. Now, what is the meaning of fair, Ibrahim? Read it for me, please.
Play and speak well with my friends.
Excellent. Do you know what is the meaning of well?
Yes.
Yes, it means good, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you have friends in the class and you are going to play, you have, for example, 4 friends in the class and you are going to play with them. Is it good to choose only 3 friends and you don't play with the other friend? Or you should play with them
No.
all? Yes, you should play with them all. If you are sitting in a group, this group has 4 students. You are speaking to 3 students only, and you don't speak to 1 student. Is this fair?
No.
No. So what is the meaning of fair? You play and speak well with my friends, okay? Now you know
Okay.
the meaning of honest and the meaning of fair.
Yes.
Okay, now read number 1 again and choose the correct answer.
This is not my pen. Honest.
Excellent, honest. Thank you very much, Ibrahim. Walid, Malik Walid.
Yes.
Hello, Malik, how are you?
I am fine.
You are fine, good. I need you, Malik, to read number 2, please.
Yes. Am I? I
Use
please.
please. Remember Malik?
Please.
Sound? Please. Yes, I use please.
Please.
Excellent, Malik. Please. When you say
Please.
please, is this fair or respect?
Finner.
Again, please.
Respect.
Yes, respect. Thank you, Malik. Because here, students, when we go back to respect, we find saying please and thank you. I use words please and thank you. This is respect. Excellent, Malik. Thank you very much. Muaz. Muaz.
What, master?
Hello, Muaz. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Thank you, Muaz. Muaz, my friend, can you please read number 3?
Yes. This is not my bag.
Yes. Bag. Okay. This is not my bag. Okay. Now, Muaz, if you find a bag which is not your bag, for example, your bag is red, but you find the black bag, and you say this is not my bag. Is this showing respect or honest? Let's go back to
Honest.
yes, excellent. Let's go back to honest. Honesty means don't tell lies. Honesty means don't take things which are not yours. The bag is not yours. So this is honest. Thank you very much, Muaz. Muhammad Hamad.
Yes, teacher.
How are you, Muhammad?
I am fine, thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad. Read number 4, please.
We with
Wait.
my
Yes, wait is correct. Wait.
with
Yes, my turn.
turn.
Muhammad, what is the meaning of wait my turn? What does it mean?
And
Yes, look here, Muhammad. Look at those children. They are going to play, right?
yes.
But they are waiting for this to finish, right?
Yes.
This is the meaning of wait my turn. Wait my turn means I wait till my friends finish. I wait till my friends finish. Okay, Muhammad?
Okay.
Is this showing respect or fair?
Point.
Respect. Excellent, Muhammad. Thank you very much.
19.
Omar Bahir. Omar Bahir.
Teacher.
How are you, Omar?
Good.
Good. Number 5, please.
Support others.
Yes, support others.
Respect.
Respect. Excellent. Omar Bahir, my friend, can you tell me what is the meaning of support others? Can you give me example for supporting others?
Talk with them.
Excuse me?
Talk with them.
Talk with them. I think we need something closer to the meaning. Okay, Omar Bahir, let me ask you a question. If you are in the class and you are working in the group, okay? Okay, Omar, you are in the class and you are working in a group. Now, one of your group can't answer the question. Can you help him to understand the question and answer it?
Sure.
Sure. So here you are supporting him. Let me ask you another question. If you are walking in the street and you find an old woman. Okay? You are walking the street and you find an old woman. The old woman asking you, what is the name of this street? And you know the name. Will you answer her?
I will tell her.
Okay. This is showing respect. This is supporting others. Thank you, Omar. Yahya Mustafa.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Yahya. How are you today?
I am. Thank you. Fine, thank you.
Good, Yahya. Good. I need you to read number 6, please. Beat my friend.
Beat my friend.
Yahya, look here.
Disrespect.
Excellent, Yahya. Look here, Yahya. Look at those two children fighting. This is the meaning of beat. Beat means a fight. Of course, Yahya, as you said, beat my friend, showing disrespect. Thank you very much, Yahya. Yusuf Mustafa.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Yusuf, how are you? Everything is fine?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you, Yusuf. Yusuf, my friend, you are doing great efforts. Really, I admire your efforts. You are doing well, you are reading well. You are
Okay.
excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You are welcome, my friend. I need you to read number 7. And Yahya as well. Yahya also is doing well. Please read number 7.
I don't share
Ideas.
ideas.
Yes. Look here, Yusuf.
Disrespect.
Of course, this is disrespect. We have here respect, and we have here disrespect. I don't share materials. This is disrespect. I don't share ideas. This is disrespect. As you said now, I don't share ideas is disrespect. Yusuf, can you tell me what is the meaning of sharing ideas? Can you help me to understand the meaning of sharing ideas? For example,
يعني إن ما حدش ولد هيقول لأصحابه على أفكاره.
excellent, Yusuf, but we try to say it in English because we are learning English. And you can give me example. If you can't say the meaning of English, you can give me example. If you are playing, if you want to play football, will you tell your friends or you will not tell them?
Yes.
Yes, this is sharing the ideas. Thank you very much, Yusuf. Asser Haytham,
Yes, teacher.
how are you, Asser?
I'm fine.
Good. Can you read number 8, please?
This is not my toy.
Okay, this is not my toy. What is the toy? What does it mean?
لعبة.
Yes, it's a toy like toy car, like toy bear, something we use it to play. When you say this is not my toy, is this showing fair or showing honest? Do you remember what is the meaning of honest and what is the meaning of fair? The meaning is here. When you are honest, you don't tell lies. You don't take things which are not yours. When you are fair, you play and speak well with your friends. So this is not my toy. This is fair or honest?
Honest.
Excellent answer. Thank you very much. Now, students, we go to another exercise. Good citizen and the bad citizen. What does it mean? Good citizen means a good boy. Bad citizen means bad boy. أنا صعب.
Yes, teacher.
Anas Amr,
Yes, teacher.
I can't hear you. Check your mic, Anas.
Yes, teacher.
Ask someone in your house to check your mic for you because I can't hear you. Okay, Anas? I will come to you again.
Okay.
Check your mic and I will come to you again.
Okay.
I will leave your mic open. When you are ready, you tell me. Okay, Anas Amr? Because I can't hear you.
Okay.
Ahmed Mustafa.
Yes, teacher.
Ahmed Mustafa,
Yes, teacher.
I can't hear you too. What's the problem? Noor,
What?
Noor, Noor.
Teacher, I want I want the I want the
Hamza,
I want the I want
what's the problem?
teacher I want the answer.
Hello?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Hello?
Hello?
Hamza, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay. Ahmed Mustafa, are you here?
Yes.
Good. Let me go back to Anas. Wait a minute, please, Ahmed Mustafa and Noor. Was problem in my.
I want the answer.
Yes, you will answer, but Anas Amr didn't answer.
Okay.
Anas.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I can hear you now. Wait, please, Hamza, Ahmed Mustafa, and Noor, because I want to hear Anas. Anas, share my
Yes, teacher.
material. Yes, Anas, share my material. When you share your material, you are a good citizen or good boy, or you are bad citizen, which means a bad boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Yes. What is the meaning of good boy? It means a good citizen. Okay, Anas?
Okay.
What is the meaning of good boy? Good citizen.
That's
Can you read it?
yes.
Yes, read it, please.
Good
Citizen.
good citizen. Good citizen.
Thank you, Anas. Now you can close your mic, Anas. Thank you very much. Noor. Noor. Noor is not here. Ahmed.
Yes,
Ahmed,
teacher.
which
Yes,
number?
teacher.
Yes.
What?
Wait a minute, Noor, because I called you, but you were not here. Now, after Ahmed Mustafa, I will come to you again. Yes, Ahmed Mustafa. Number 2, please.
Respect
Respect.
each other.
Yes. Is this good citizen or bad citizen?
Good sentences.
Citizen. Citizen.
Sentences.
Citizen.
Citizen.
Excellent, Ahmed Mustafa. Thank you very much.
Citizen.
Noor.
Yes, teacher.
Next, please. Number 3.
I don't share my materials. A bad citizen.
Excellent, Noor. Hamza.
Yeah.
Number 4, please.
Work together.
Hmm.
Good citizen.
Yes. Are you a good citizen, Hamza?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Hamza. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
Next, please, number 5.
Big, cloudy,
Wait a minute,
Cloudy.
Abdurrahman. Wait a minute, please. Yes, Ahmed. Ahmed.
just a connect and discover 1 minute.
Okay, Ahmed, did you take it from school?
Yes,
When? When did you take it? Today or yesterday?
yesterday.
Okay, thank you, Ahmed. Thank you. It means the books are there. The books are there in the school, right?
Okay, right.
Ahmed, did you take also activity book? You can speak now. Your mic is open.
Activity book?
Yes?
No,
Only,
student book.
only student, only connect the plus student book and the connect and discover. But there's no activity book, right?
Connect student and discover and
Connect the plus.
discover. Yes.
But you didn't take the activity book, right?
What?
The activity book, you didn't take it from school, right?
Yes.
Do you know the
Yes.
activity book? Are you sure?
Hmm.
Are you sure? The activity book is not there?
activity book.
لا مش لقيته مش لقيته في الكيس.
Okay, Ahmed Mustafa. They told us that the activity book is there.
قال لك ايه؟ activity book. قال لك activity book.
Okay, Ahmed Mustafa. Okay. So the activity book is not there. Thank you. Abdurrahman.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry for this interruption.
Cloudy and don't listen. Bed. City.
Say, te, then. Repeat. Say, te, then.
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 Citizen.
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 Thank you. Anas.
As teacher.
Number 6, please.
Share my materials. Good citizen.
Okay, Anas. Thank you very much. Bara.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Bara. Please, number 7.
Here.
Beat. Beat.
G.
Beat my friend. Repeat it, Bara,
Beat.
please.
My
Yes, friend.
friend.
Again, please, Bara. Beat my friend.
Beat my friend.
Yes. Do you know what is the meaning of beat my friend? Look here at this picture. This boy is beating his friend. It means fighting with your friend. Okay, Bara?
Okay.
So what do you think now? Beat my friend. Is this good citizen or bad citizen? Bara?
Yes.
Beat my friend. Is this good citizen or bad citizen? Look, Bara.
Bad. Bad
Excellent.
citizen.
Excellent. Good citizen means a good boy. Bad citizen means a bad boy. So this is bad citizen. Muhammad Mansour.
Good teacher.
Number 8, please. Read it.
Okay. Support others.
Support.
Sport.
Support. Repeat after me. Support.
Support.
Yes.
Support.
Support others.
Support others.
Yes.
Good citizen.
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 Excellent. Ibrahim Mustafa.
Yes, teacher.
Number 9, please.
Use please. Good citizen.
Good. Thank you. Kareem.
Okay. What?
How are you, Kareem?
I'm here. I'm
How are-
okay.
You are okay?
Yes.
Where were you?
I'm in my house.
And why you didn't enter the class?
What?
Why you didn't enter the class from the start?
Go to school online.
Okay. Read number 10,
This
please.
is in net my bin.
Yes, Kareem, my friend, can you please repeat after me? This. Can you repeat after me, please?
What?
Can you repeat after me?
Yeah.
This. Repeat.